Hello everyone, welcome to you back. In this video, we are going to see three important things. First one is introduction part. In the introduction part, we are going to see who is responsible for wine service, and following that, we are going to see what are the things we have to ensure before wine service, and then we are going to see the red wine service and white wine service. Now we move on to the introduction part. First, we have to know who is responsible for wine order taking and service. Sommelier or wine waiter is generally responsible for taking wine order and service of wine. Sommelier is the person should have thorough knowledge on wine as well as wine pairing with food, which means which wine goes well with which food. Then only he can suggest wine to the guest. Wine should be served before meal so it can enjoy along with the food. The next topic is things to consider before wine service. Before starting wine service, we have to ensure some of the important things. Start from collecting wine from the bar. Ensure that the wine at correct temperature. Already we know the wine serving temperature for red wine is 12 to 19 degrees Celsius. For white wine is 8 to 12 degrees Celsius, and for the champagne it should be 5 to 8 degrees Celsius. The second thing we have to ensure is where we place the correct wine glass in the table. The third thing, the neck of the bottle should never touch the rim of the glass. The fourth, never overfill the glass. The glass should always be filled 3/4 or 180 ml. The next we are going to see the service procedure for white wine. After taken wine order, we bring wine from the bar and present it to the guest from the right hand side for approval. While presenting, sommelier should announce the name of the wine, year of production, where it comes from, how it tastes, and which food is suitable for this wine, because each wine should have different taste and each wine should goes well with some category of food. So we have to announce the guest which food is suitable for this wine. Once we get approval from the host, we have to open the bottle with wine open and produce the cork to the guest to feel the aroma of wine, then pour the wine for tasting. After gets approval from the host, serve the wine to the guest from clockwise. Starts next to the host. Wine should be served always from the right hand side. While serving, the label should face the guest. After serve the wine to all the guests, the bottle should be kept in the middle of the table, facing the label towards the guest. If anyone glass is empty, ask for a refill. Otherwise, we do not disturb the guest till they are complete the glass. This is the service of red wine. If the bottle get empty, should ask the guest for another one. Don't ask any other else. Only as we have to ask from the host for the approval. The same procedure will be followed for the white wine service, but the little bit change in regards to the temperature, because white wine should be served between 8 to 12 degrees Celsius. So we have to keep the white wine chilled. Before serving the wine or before bring the wine to the table, we have to place wine bucket placed near to the table. Wine bucket should fill one pot of ice and two pots with water to maintain the wine in correct temperature. While getting approval from the guest, same procedure will be followed like red wine. We are announcing the name, manufacturer, taste, what food it goes well with wine and all. Along with that, additionally, we have to ensure and check for the chillness of wine from the guest. Then the same procedure will be followed till pouring the wine. While placing the wine in the middle of the table, we have to use the wine bucket because the white wine should serve chill. Rest all the same procedure will be followed, same like red wine. Thank you. If you have any clarifications, you can ask.